Now have a look on this question. There is a special contest held at high school where the winner will receive a prize of 100, 300 seniors, 200 juniors, and 200 sophomores and 100 freshmen enter the contest. So the prize of $100 will be distributed to 300 seniors, 200 juniors, 200 sophomores, and 100 freshmen who entered into the contest. Each senior places their name in the hat of 5 times, juniors 3 times, and sophomores and freshmen each only once. So what is the probability that a junior's name will be chosen? So first of all, we have to find out that what is the total number of outcomes. So in a hat, how many seniors would be? There will be 300 and there are 5 hats. So it means 3 times 5. So 5 times 3, 1500. Now what about the juniors? Juniors will be 200. Juniors will be 200 and the heads are 5. So 5 times 2, 10, and there will be 100. Now, about the sophomores, there are 200 sophomores times 5, you will get again 1000. And about the freshmen, that are 100 into 5, so it will be 500. So what are the total number of outcomes? Will be 10, 1, 1000, 2000, 3000 and 3000 and 4000 total. And the juniors, juniors, what is the probability? That is the junior's name will be chosen. So junior's name total are 1000. So 1000 divided by 4000 will be your answer. That means 1/4 will be the probability. A baker makes 186 cookies. So here they gave you a table that is not complete. So you have to read the question and complete the table also. Some are chocolate chips and some are oatmeal raisins here. And both kinds are made with and without nuts. So over here in the vertical column are shown in the table below. Above. Because they are more popular, the baker made 2/3 of the cookies chocolate chip. If a chocolate chip cookie is chosen at random, what is the probability that it will have nuts? So first of all, try to complete this table. So here, without nuts, there are 104 cookies and total cookies are 186. So 186 minus 104, you will get 82 cookies with the nuts. Now if 82 cookies, out of 82 cookies, 40 are the oatmeal raisins, so of course 42 will be the chocolate. So this is the simple addition or multiplication. Now they are asking you, no need to do without nuts or the other questions. Why? Because they are asking about how many cookies will be chocolate chips which have the nuts. So no need to do the complete the table without the nuts. So don't waste your time. Now read the question. The baker made 2/3 of the cookies of chocolate chips. So 2/3 of the total cookies, that is times 186. So it will be 3 times 6, 18, 3 times 2, 6 here. So you will get 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 6, 12. That means 124 total cookies they are going to make it out of 186. So now 124 cookies they are going to make for the chocolate chips. And how many with the nuts? With the nuts will be 42. So your probability will be 42 over 120. Now the table shows the distribution of age and gender for 25 people. That means the total number of the people are 25 who entered a contest. If the contest winner will be selected at random, what is the probability that winner will be either a female under age 40? So female under age 40 is 8 and the male age above 40, 40 or above. So the male age above 40 will be 20. If it is all, so female how many? Out 8 out of total, that is 25. Or means you have to make the plus sign, and men are 20 out of 25. You will add them and get the answer. Now here in a survey, 607 general surgeons and orthopedic surgeons indicated their major professional activities. The results are summarized in the table above. If one of the surgeon is selected at the random, which of the following is closest to the probability that the selected surgeon is orthopedic and also have doing the research? So where is the surgeon? Here are the orthopedic surgeons which are doing the research also, that is 74. So simple, the probability will be 74 over 607. So hope you will understand these kind of questions. These kind of questions, especially for the probability comes, you can understand more if you do more practice from the probability section. So just solve few more questions on random basis from Google it from and download the questions and then randomly solve them. And then if you have any question, just ask me in the comment box. Thank you very much.